Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0369 indicates an intermittent interruption in the CMP Camshaft Position Sensor B circuit. The camshaft position sensor plays a critical role in timing and fuel injection, which are essential for engine performance. Located typically near the cylinder head, it communicates camshaft position to the powertrain control module, PCM, allowing for proper fuel delivery and ignition timing. An intermittent failure suggests the sensor might be working sporadically, leading to possible engine performance issues. This guide will explore the causes, symptoms, and troubleshooting steps necessary to resolve DTC P0369 effectively. DTC P0369 indicates an issue with CMP Sensor B, specifically an intermittent interruption in its circuit. The CMP sensor is vital for monitoring the position of the camshaft, allowing the engine's PCM to adjust timing and fuel injection accordingly. Positioned near the engine's cylinder head, this sensor ensures the engine runs optimally at different speeds and loads. An interruption can lead to misfires, poor fuel economy, or even engine stalling. Given that this DTC falls under the PGM-FI category, or Powertrain Generation Management Fuel Injection, it emphasizes the importance of the fuel delivery system's integrity. Understanding the role of the CMP sensor and its connection to the PCM is crucial when addressing this fault. There are several potential causes for the occurrence of DTC P0369. First, loose connections at the CMP Sensor B or the PCM can lead to intermittent signals, disrupting the communication necessary for proper engine operation. Second, the CMP sensor itself may be damaged or malfunctioning, which can cause poor performance or failures in fuel injection timing. Another possible issue could originate from the PCM, which may not be processing signals correctly due to internal faults. Lastly, wiring issues, such as short circuits or corrosion in the circuit, could also contribute to the intermittent interruption. Each of these potential causes requires careful inspection to confirm or deny their presence before proceeding with repairs. Though symptoms can vary, some common signs of DTC P0369 include engine misfires, which occur due to incorrect timing influenced by the faulty CMP Sensor B. Drivers may notice poor acceleration as the engine struggles to maintain optimal timing and power delivery relations. The check engine light on the dashboard is another common symptom, alerting the driver to potential engine issues. In more atypical scenarios, the vehicle may experience stalling or idle irregularities, further indicating that the CMP sensor is failing to communicate correctly with the PCM. Accurate recognition of these symptoms can be critical for prompt diagnostics and repairs, preventing more significant engine issues and costly repairs down the line. Start the troubleshooting by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Use the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System to clear the DTC P0369 from the vehicle's memory. Once cleared, proceed to start the engine and let it idle for approximately 10 seconds. After this, monitor the OBD onboard diagnostics status through the DTC's menu in the HDS. This step checks if the failure reoccurs immediately after clearing, providing insight into the current state of the CMP Sensor B circuit's integrity. If the HDS indicates that the status is failed, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. If passed, a temporary failure might be present and further investigation is warranted. Next, conduct a test drive of the vehicle for several minutes, ensuring the driving conditions align with recorded freeze data parameters, especially engine speed and vehicle speed. This step allows the situation to be recreated in a real-world environment, which could help manifest intermittent failures. During this test, keep a constant eye on the OBD status for DTC P0369 using the HDS. If the HDS again indicates that the status is failed, it confirms a recurring issue, prompting the need for further investigation. Should it read passed, then the system may be functioning correctly at that moment. In cases of an intermittent failure, a more thorough review of connections and terminals at CMP Sensor B and the PCM becomes essential. In this step, focus on checking the conditions of the CMP Sensor B's circuit connectors and terminals. Examine for loose or poor connections at 3 specific locations: the CMP Sensor B, the PCM, and the engine and body grounds. If these connections appear to be in good condition, it indicates that the wiring may not be the problem. However, if any connectors are found to be loose or corroded, repairs should be made immediately to restore solid connectivity. Such issues can frequently lead to DTC P0369 when communication is unreliable. Completing this check diligently ensures that any potential points of failure are addressed before replacing any components. In the final troubleshooting step, examine the CMP pulse plate for visible damage. The CMP pulse plate is a component of the exhaust camshaft, which impacts the operation of the CMP sensor. If the pulse plate is found to be damaged, it necessitates a replacement of the exhaust camshaft. In contrast, if the pulse plate is intact, the next course of action is to replace CMP Sensor B itself. The integrity of the CMP pulse plate is paramount, since even minor damage can disrupt the sensor's ability to effectively monitor the camshaft position. Replacing faulty components restores the functionality needed to prevent DTC P0369 from recurring. Once repairs are completed, it is essential to perform a final verification of the repairs made. This involves retesting the vehicle by idling and driving under conditions that may have previously triggered DTC P0369. After the test drive, recheck the OBD status using the HDS for any existing DTCs. If all repairs have been performed correctly and no new or old DTCs are present, the vehicle should operate smoothly without any engine performance issues. Consistent performance without triggering new codes indicates the repairs were successful, ensuring that the CMP Sensor B circuit is now functioning correctly. It's important to conduct this verification to maintain confidence in the integrity of the vehicle. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0369 or related issues, regular inspections and maintenance of the engine components are paramount. Ensuring that connections, especially electrical links to the CMP Sensor B and PCM, are snug and free from corrosion can mitigate intermittent failures. It's also wise to periodically replace components that show signs of wear, as they can lead to the eventual failure of other interconnected systems. Keeping the vehicle's diagnostic system updated and routinely checked will allow for early detection of issues before they escalate. Preventive maintenance is always more effective and cost-efficient than reactive repairs, and ensures that your Honda CR-V remains in top shape. In summary, DTC P0369 pertains to an intermittent interruption in the circuit of CMP Sensor B in the Honda CR-V from 2017 to 2022. Recognizing the symptoms and understanding the role of the CMP sensor are crucial for timely diagnostics. Following the structured troubleshooting steps ensures comprehensive investigation and effective repair, minimizing the chances of recurrence. Regular preventive maintenance, including electrical connection checks, can significantly enhance longevity and performance, keeping any potential issues at bay. By adhering to these outlined steps, owners can foster optimal performance from their vehicles, ensuring reliability and safety on the road. please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.